The video opens with a soft melody, slow piano notes mixed with the gentle sound of ocean waves. The frame fades into warm golden light, and we see her, Emma Hallberg, effortlessly elegant, smiling as she adjusts her sunglasses, her hair glistening in the sun. The narrator begins softly. She's the girl who made millions pause their scrolls, the woman who turned quiet confidence into an art form, and the influencer who's redefining what it means to be effortlessly beautiful. Her name is Emma Hallberg, and this is her story. The music builds, subtle but cinematic. Clips of Emma cooking, traveling, laughing, and posing in modest yet fashionable outfits fill the screen. Emma Hallberg isn't just a name trending on Instagram. She's a lifestyle, a mood, a movement. With her natural glow, curvy silhouette, and authentic personality, she's showing the world that confidence isn't about perfection, it's about presence. But like all great stories, Emma's journey didn't start in the spotlight. She was born and raised in Sweden, surrounded by nature, calm, and culture. A place where beauty is often described as minimalist, clean, and understated. And yet, even as a young girl, Emma saw beauty differently. For her, it wasn't about fitting into boxes or meeting expectations. It was about self-expression. As a child, she loved art, colors, and creating new looks. Her fascination with fashion wasn't just about clothes. It was about transformation. It was about the power of feeling different, confident, alive. Growing up, Emma often faced the same pressure so many girls do, to look a certain way, to have the right body, the perfect skin, the ideal image. But she soon realized that real beauty isn't in looking like someone else. It's in embracing yourself fully. That realization became the foundation of her brand. She started posting pictures on Instagram, not expecting fame, not chasing validation, but simply sharing her style, her makeup routines, and her lifestyle. Her look, a blend of Nordic simplicity and global chic, stood out. Her modest yet fashionable outfits, glowing skin, and natural curves started gaining attention fast. People began noticing something refreshing about Emma. She didn't over-edit her photos. She didn't pretend to be someone else. She wasn't trying to impress, she was just expressing. And that honesty, it's what made her viral. Soon, followers poured in. Fashion pages reposted her photos, beauty blogs wrote features about her signature look, and fans across continents began calling her an inspiration. Emma became a voice for women who felt unseen, women who wanted to dress modestly but stylishly, who wanted to feel confident without conforming, who wanted to love their natural curves without apology. Her Instagram transformed into a gallery of empowerment. Her posts, a mix of chic neutral tones, soft makeup, and elegant poses, became templates for thousands of girls looking to build their own sense of style. But behind every post, there was purpose. Emma often used her platform to speak about self-worth and the dangers of comparison. She reminded her audience that social media should never be about perfection. It should be about connection. Her message was simple but powerful. You don't have to change yourself to be beautiful. You just have to start seeing the beauty that's already there. That line, that philosophy, became her mantra and her mission. Over time, Emma's platform grew beyond fashion. She started sharing glimpses of her life, her travels, her food, her skincare rituals, and her followers loved it. Her food content especially struck a chord. Not the kind of content filled with restrictive diets or unrealistic goals, but wholesome, balanced meals that celebrated enjoyment, not guilt. Fresh fruits, homemade recipes, coffee moments in cozy cafes. Each post felt like a breath of fresh air. She showed that you could love food and still love your body, that wellness wasn't about restriction, but about nourishment, mind, body, and soul. When it came to fashion, Emma became a pioneer of modest chic. Long dresses, layered looks, soft fabrics, neutral tones. Each outfit felt both elegant and attainable. Her modesty wasn't a constraint. It was her strength. She made it fashionable, powerful, and modern. Her sense of fashion blurred cultural boundaries. Scandinavian minimalism meets Mediterranean warmth. Shafton mixed clean lines with bold accessories, showing that modest fashion doesn't mean muted fashion. Her beauty routine also became a signature: glowy skin, natural highlights, and that effortless sun-kissed look that became her trademark. Fans around the world tried to replicate her looks, flooding comment sections with questions: what products do you use? How do you get your glow? Teach us your style. But her response was always grounded. She reminded them that while beauty routines are fun, real beauty comes from confidence, kindness, and self-care. And yet, like every influencer who breaks the mold, Emma faced her share of criticism. Some questioned her identity, others misunderstood her message. But instead of fighting back, she chose grace. She let her work speak louder than her words. She knew her value, and she kept walking her path with quiet strength. That's what made her stand out even more. Her collaborations with global brands soon followed: skincare lines, fashion labels, and lifestyle companies all wanting to work with her. But Emma was selective. She only partnered with brands that aligned with her values: inclusivity, authenticity, and positivity. She wasn't interested in selling products. She wanted to share purpose. Her audience trusted her because she never compromised who she was. Whether she was reviewing a skincare brand, showing a modest outfit haul, or talking about mental health, her tone stayed the same: calm, genuine, and real. Beyond fashion and beauty, Emma used her platform for empowerment. She spoke about self-acceptance, body diversity, and the importance of mental well-being. Her posts encouraged followers to practice gratitude, to take breaks, to love themselves through change. And perhaps that's why people feel so connected to her, because she's not just a model, she's a mirror, a reflection of the beauty in imperfection. Emma's daily routine is balanced between creativity and calm. Mornings start with journaling or meditation, followed by coffee, her favorite ritual. She spends time planning content, answering messages, and engaging with her community. But she also prioritizes moments offline: long walks, reading, cooking, or spending time with family and friends. She lives by the philosophy that success means peace, not pressure. Her travel stories show another side of her: Emma the explorer. From city breaks to beach escapes, she captures the world through her lens. Simple moments, beautiful views, and cultural experiences that remind her audience that life isn't meant to be rushed. But what truly defines Emma isn't fame. It's her courage to show up as herself every day, to be soft in a world that often rewards hardness, to be authentic in a world obsessed with filters. She's part of a new generation of influencers who believe that beauty should be inclusive, that curves are not flaws, but features, and that confidence comes from within. Her name has now become a symbol of balance between strength and softness, modesty and modernity, simplicity and style. Fans often describe her as the calm in the chaos of Instagram, a presence that brings peace instead of pressure. When she talks about beauty, she doesn't sell an image. She shares an idea that confidence is built, not bought, that every woman deserves to feel seen, valued, and celebrated. Her impact can be felt far beyond fashion. She's helped shape a new conversation about modesty, self-worth, and authenticity. Through her story, she's inspired a movement, a community of women who no longer want to be defined by trends, but by truth. Emma Hallberg isn't just breaking beauty standards, she's rewriting them. As the video nears its end, her laughter echoes through the montage, a compilation of her most iconic looks, travel clips, and everyday moments. The narrator's voice softens. She didn't become an influencer to be famous. She became an influencer to be free from expectations, free from judgment, to live beautifully, her way. The camera zooms in on Emma walking by the water, the wind in her hair, the sunset behind her. Emma Hallberg, the curvy queen, the lifestyle muse, the beauty positivity icon who reminds us all that beauty isn't what you see, it's what you feel. The music swells, emotional and uplifting. So what part of Emma's journey inspired you the most? Her fashion, her confidence, her lifestyle? Tell us in the comments below. And if her story touched your heart, Make sure to like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to Bioglam Curvy Models, where we celebrate the women rewriting the story of beauty one post at a time. The video fades out with soft music, showing her Instagram handle, glow text on screen. Be kind to yourself, be proud of your story, be you.